B division. So let's get started with my presentation. So my topic is the first one. We see the ISE2 video presentation, discrete mathematics. Then we have table of contents, in which the first one is introduction, second one is permutation, the main topic, last one is the conclusion. So the introductory part will be, so before we get into permutation, we have some basics. We have to study some basics. The first one is rule of sum, and the second one is rule of product. So there are two basic rules of counting, rule of sum and rule of product. Suppose there are two tasks T1 and T2 are to be performed. If task T1 can be performed in m different ways and task T2 can be performed in n different ways, and if two tasks cannot be performed simultaneously, then one of the tasks can be performed in m plus n ways. This is the rule of sum. The rule of product will be, suppose there are two tasks T1 and T2 are to be performed. If task T1 has m possible outcomes and task T2 has n possible outcomes, then there are m into n possible outcomes where both of the experiment takes place. So let's see an example of rule of sum and rule of product. So there are 7 courses are offered in morning and 5 courses are offered in afternoon. And if student wants both of them, so there are 7 into 5, that is 35 ways. And if student wants only one of the course, then there are 7 plus 5, that is 12 ways. So the main topic is permutation, the main topic of discussion. So the first we will see the definition of permutation. So an ordered arrangement of R elements of a set containing n distinct elements is called R permutation of n elements, and it is denoted by P of n comma R or NPR, where R is less than n. So the formula of permutation is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. So the types of permutation are there three types. The first one is with duplication, the second one is without duplication, and the third one is circular permutation. So say, here are some basic examples of permutation. So the first one is, how many different arrangement of letters in the word bot. So there are 6 letters, BOUGHT. So it will be 6 factorial, that is 720 ways. Second one comes in, that is find the number of permutations of the letter in word engineering. So this example you can solve with duplication. So the answer will be with duplication, that is 277 ways. The third one is how many ways are there to sit 10 boys and 10 girls around a circular table. So this will be of circular permutation. There are total 20 persons and the formula is n minus 1 factorial. So the total ways are 19 ways. So in the conclusion part, we have seen about some basics of permutation, that is rule of sum and rule of product. And after that we have seen about permutation, that is definition, types of permutation. And in the end we have discussed the basic examples of permutation. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.